Good morning children. Today 5th class mathematics we have to discuss about what is the divisibility rule by 25. The divisibility rule by 25 is if the in the given numbers if they have to given any number of digits, that is 4 digit number, 5 digit number, 3 digit number, like that, they have to give any number of digits. In that, what you have to observe? You have to observe the tens place and ones place. If the tens place and ones place is divisible by 25, then the whole given number is divisible by 25. Here, first, the tens and ones place number is divisible by 25, then the given number is divisible by 25. It is the divisibility by 25 rule. What is the rule? Say once again children. If the tens place and ones place is divisible by 25, then the whole number is divisible by 25. Here I will explain with the examples. Here, first example. You have to take 4150. Here they given 4-digit number. In this 4-digit number, what we have to observe? You have to observe only the tens place and ones place. Here, solution. First of all, the two numbers you have to check. It is divisible by 25 or not. Write down this 25. Write down the 25 table. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. 25 threes are 75. 25 fours are 100. Like this, each and every number you have to add the 25. Then you will get the 25 table. Here 50. When you will get 25 twos are 50. Minus symbol 0 0. So here we did not get any remainder. So this number is therefore 4150 divisible by 25. This is your answer. Like this. Same like this. One more example. It is first example. Next example, that is here I am taking 5 number of digits, that is 655, 85, that is 65,585. Here also you have to observe what is that digit numbers, tens place and ones place, 85. You have to check it is divisible by 25 or not. 25 divided by 85. 25 table 85 not there. We will take 25 threes are 75. 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 7 1. 10 is the remainder. If we don't get any remainder, then only the number is divisible by 25. But here we will get 10 remainder. So 655 85 is not divisible by 25. Like this. We have to check only the last two numbers. Same like this in your exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 in A bit second point, that is by 25. In this first question, 9150. Here you have to check this given number is divisible by 50. Here check. What is the tens place and ones place number? 5050. 50 is divisible by 25. You can check. Here already 25 table is there. No need to write again and again. 25 twos are 50. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. Here we don't get any remainder. So you have to write down. Therefore, 9150 is divisible by 25. 9150 is divisible by 25. Like this. Same like this. One more question. That is 18,025. Okay. Solution. First, what we have to observe? The tens place and ones place numbers. 25 divided by 25. So, 25 ones are 25. Minus 5 minus 5 0. Therefore, 18,025 is divisible by 25. Like this. Okay children, this is in your textbook page number 92. Exercise 4.2. Abitu's divisibility test to find which of the following numbers are divisible. Second bit. First bit yesterday we have finished, that is by and rule. Today by 25. That is the first question 9150 I explained. F1. That is 18,025 also explained. Now you can finish B, C, D, E. If you want means B question also I explained. That is the given number is 2676. 2676. Solution. Here also you have to check only the tens place and ones place. Why? Because it is the rule. What is the rule by 25? If the tens and ones place number is divisible by 25, then only the total number is divisible by 25. So no need to do the total division. You have to take these two numbers. 76 divided by 25. Check. 25 table here is there. In 25 table 76 we will get? No, you have to take 25 3s are 75. 25 3s are 75. Minus 6 minus 5 1. 7 minus 1 0. Here you will get 1 as a remainder. If you will get any remainder, the answer is wrong. So, therefore, 2676 is not divisible. Not divisible by 25. Like this. You have to finish the remaining questions. That is exercise 4.2, second bit by 25. Okay. Today your homework is doing math notes. Doing math notes. Exercise 4.2, that is second bit by 25. In that A, B, C, D, E, F questions. That is textbook page number 92. This is your homework today. Okay children. Once open your textbook page number 92. Here by 20. First of all, before going to start these problems, open your maths notebook, write down date and detail, write down the by rule of 25. Examples also you have to write down. After that, do these problems. This is your homework today. Thank you. Remaining formulas we will read tomorrow, that is by 11. Okay, this is your homework today. Thank you.